This snack is made with only 3 ingredients, and the best part is a no baking recipe, and it is made with super healthy ingredients. It is so delicious and very easy to make. Try it and it will be your next favorite thing to snack on. Join me, let me show you how to make it. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 1 cup of desiccated coconut and 1 cup of almond powder. Then we go ahead and mix it together until it's properly combined. After that, we go ahead and add half cup of plain yogurt, that is 125 grams. Next, we go ahead and mix it together using our hand or spatula until it comes together. Once the mixture has come together, it's time to form it to our desired shape. I'll be scooping a piece and molding it into a ball using my hand or rubbing it together in my palm. We'll go ahead and transfer the molded piece into a plate and repeat the process until we've exhausted all the mixture. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. While that is chilling in the freezer, because we want to be extra, we'll go ahead and melt some milk chocolate into a bowl. We'll also be adding some crushed peanuts to it. If you don't want to add chocolate to your snack, it is ready to eat now, but because I want mine to have the crunchy peanut and the chocolate taste, so I'll go ahead and coat the snack into the chocolate mixture. Once we are done coating the snack into the chocolate mixture, we'll refrigerate it for additional 10 minutes so that it can firm up. And finally, this is what we have. This is absolutely delicious. It doesn't even last because everybody in the family loves it. My friends loves it. You can make this and gift it to your friends, to your loved ones, to your neighbors. They will absolutely love it. It is so delicious, it is so healthy, and it is very easy to make. I hope you try making this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, please subscribe if you haven't done so, share this recipe with your loved ones, check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you will find something else you love. Tell someone to tell someone about this channel. Let me know in the comment section any other 3 ingredients recipe you would like to see me make next. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.